Rothwell Park in Moberly, Missouri is much more than a city park. It's a one-of-a-kind destination that will entice you to return again. Featuring an amazing spectrum of amenities from lakes, trails, and a campground to a 1-mile-long miniature railroad, sports complex, and a family aquatic center, Rothwell Park is a destination that you absolutely must see. At more than 465 acres, there really is something for everyone at Rothwell Park. If you need some time away from it all to work on your marksmanship, look no further than our free-to-use 14-target archery range. If you're trying to find a scenic location for a large group event, reserve some time at the Lodge, a 4,000-square-foot building with a rustic stone fireplace, exposed beams, and serene woodland views capable of accommodating up to 200 people. For a destination camping trip with full hookups, Wi-Fi, and a shower house with access to hundreds of acres of family amenities, Thompson Campground is the perfect summer destination. Moberly was founded as a railroad community, and the Rothwell Park Miniature Railroad still operates in that spirit. Rothwell Park is home to a larger-than-life statue of Moberly's own General Omar Bradley, the first chairman of the Joint Chiefs and the last five-star general, who played a critical role in world history, including planning the D-Day invasion. Monuments to most of America's other conflicts surround the Bradley statue. Howard Hills Athletic Complex is an 80-acre sports complex set within Rothwell Park. It includes well-maintained football fields, baseball and softball fields, sand volleyball courts, a playground, batting cages, and more. With league play and tournaments, it's game on at the Howard Hills Athletic Complex. Don't hesitate to stop by the concession stand after the game for a taste of our ballpark favorites. And for the ultimate summer experience, it's time to jump in at the Moberly Aquatic Center. Water slides, a diving board, climbing wall, spray ground, and zero-depth entry await you at the Moberly Aquatic Center. Treat yourself to a carefree poolside experience or even host your next big party at the Aquatic Center. Bring the family out for an amazing day at the park or wind down and play around at the golf course just a mile away. Whether you stop by to enjoy the pool, walking trails, wilderness area, sports facilities, or just want to do some fishing, one thing is clear: there's no lack of things to do at Rothwell Park. Book your visit and upgrade your summer with a trip to beautiful Rothwell Park in Moberly.